In front of me is OPPO A96, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select personalizations, and here click on wallpapers. And now you can pick either something from static wallpapers or one from your own photos. Let me choose static wallpapers, and now just pick the one that you would like to cover your screen with. So just like that you can check how each wallpaper looks on the screen. And let me pick, for example, this one. Then click on apply and decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will choose both, and that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new picture is covering your home screen and also lock screen. So let me show you how it looks. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.